So now let's move on to the most important component of DevOps, that is IaC, IAC, IAC. Okay, that is infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code. So infrastructure as code is a practice that consists of writing the code of the resources that make up an infrastructure. So this practice began to take effect with the rise of DevOps culture and with the modernization of cloud infrastructure. Indeed, ops team or operations team that deploy infrastructure manually take time to deliver infrastructure changes due to inconsistent handling and the risk of errors. Also, with the modernization of the cloud and its scalability, the way an infrastructure is built requires a review of provisioning and change practices by adapting a more automated method. So IAC, you see on the screen, IAC is the process of writing the code of the provisioning and configuration steps of infrastructure components to automate its deployment in a repeatable and consistent manner. So that's what IAC is. Infrastructure as code. Infrastructure as code. So before we look at the use of IAC, we will see what are the benefits of this practice that provide. So the benefits of IAC are as follows. The first one is the standardization of infrastructure configuration reduces the risk of error. Two, the code that describes the infrastructure is versioned and controlled in a source code manager. The code is integrated into CI/CD pipelines, that's continuous integration and continuous delivery pipelines. Deployments that make infrastructure changes are faster and more efficient. So there is better management control and a reduction in infrastructure costs. So IAC's IAC infrastructure as code also brings benefits to a DevOps team by allowing ops to be more efficient on infrastructure improvement tasks rather than spending time on manual configuration, and by giving the developers the possibility to upgrade their infrastructure and make changes without having to ask for more ops resources. So IAC also allows the creation of self-service ephemeral environments that will give developers and testers more flexibility to test new features in isolation and independently of other environments.